Welcome to Intriguing Spirits. Hey, I'm Hudson. I'm at Lioness, and this is Intriguing Spirits, and I'm here to talk about Averna. This is Averna. It's one of the classic Amaros from the 1800s in Sicily. It was, as most know, founded by Byzantine monks, like a lot of other Amaros. It's passed down from monks to Salvatore of Averna in the 1860s and founded in 1868 with his son. One of the bittersweet classic Amaros that's going to have cola notes, a classic bittersweet mixed with citron and some citrus peel, as well as different cloves and cinnamon. But we're going to taste it today, and I'll let you know what I'm tasting. We use it here at Lioness in our Mezzanotte cocktail, and that's going to be a fun play off the Boulevardier as well as the Black Manhattan. Pair it with 𝐿'𝐼𝐸 Maraschino Cherry, Nardini Bitter, Averna, 𝐿'𝐼𝐸, and some rye whiskey. And we're going to make a fun little stirred cocktail. On first notes, I'm getting a lot of the bittersweetness up front. It's got a really nice mouthfeel, slight viscosity, a little bit of caramel butterscotch, kind of cola notes. Definitely makes me think of a bitter flat soda, but it's got this really wonderful sarsaparilla and cola notes on the back end. And, I'm not getting too much cinnamon, too much clove. Those are the kind of the light notes that I would assume I'm going to taste, but honestly, I'm getting more of this really fun bittersweet cola note. Yeah, the bitterness isn't too pronounced. It's definitely one of the lighter bitter notes for me. Overall, just a really wonderful palate and would go great over some ice, neat on its own. We use it in a lot of different applications here at Lioness. There's some caramel dyes and different roots and herbs that really have this pronounced dark Amaro color. The viscosity works really great in adding body to cocktails. On its own, the bitter cola notes play really well with a mix of different spirits, whether it's agaves, your rums and whiskeys. I find it to be easy to work with in a lot of different forms, but on its own, I love drinking it. I think it works great just mixing one part with another, but really it's quite versatile. For this cocktail, we will start first with black walnut bitters. Add 175 of rye whiskey. We have a mixture of Luxardo Sherry, Maraschino, Nardini Bitter, and Averna Amaro. And finishing this off with a little 𝐿'𝐼𝐸 vermouth. So we have 3 cherries skewered on our Mezzanotte. The idea behind that was sort of around the beans on the espresso martini. Live, love, laugh, or, wealth, health, and prosperity. It's really good. The salt in the cherries makes it a little bit of a treat. It's going to be a nice boozy cocktail. The Averna's pairing with the Luxardo Maraschino Cherry. There's a light touch of bitterness in this. It's got the feels of a Boulevardier, but it's picked up to another depth with this undertone of the 𝐿'𝐼𝐸 playing with all these other ingredients, and it's a drink that is just quite delicious. Mezzanotte is Italian for midnight, and this is going to be a casual nighttime sipper. Averna is one of the Amaros that represents a large catalog of Amaros in Italy. It spans a lot of different categories. Some of them are bittersweet, some of them are 𝐼𝐸, some of them are nocinos. There's a wide range of them, and all we're trying to do here at Lioness is encapsulate what is exciting about beverages, whether it's wine, spirits, Amaro, vermouth. In this cocktail that I've created today, it's going to represent a few different elements of that, and I just hope that we can excite others about what we have to offer.